Hello everyone, this is Sujoy from 7 Boats Academy. Today we will see how you can generate Instagram hashtags with the AI tool. So first you have to go to Google and search for hashtag generator for Instagram. In SERP, the first link is the from inflect.com. This is the AI tool which give you the Instagram hashtag. This one is one of my favorite tool. So let's go and click on that link. And here you will landing the website, land on the website. Here you can see that there is three way you can generate a hashtag from, like generated by keyword or generated by photo which you have to upload, and generated by for a post URL. So at first you have to generate by keyword. So suppose I put the keyword like digital marketing. If I want to know the if I want to generate the hashtags regarding digital marketing, so I have to write the digital marketing and generate hashtags, and it will analyze for a few seconds and it will give you the result. Here we go. You will find there is the three category are there, like frequent, average, and rare. These are the few Instagram hashtags which are frequently used. These are few of the hashtags which is average use, and these are few of the hashtag which is rare used. So you can select the Instagram hashtags from here as per your related niche. Like if I have a agency, so I can select like digital marketing agency, digital marketing strategy, digital marketing services. And if you drop down, you can see a lot of hashtags here. Like you can say digital marketing company, digital marketing solution. So in this way you can tick mark all the related Instagrams which you need and copy it from here and paste it wherever you require. So thank you, and please like and subscribe our channel, and do hit the notification bell for more similar updates.